How to change TikTok username. Here in this video today, you're going to learn step-by-step procedure you can follow to change your username on TikTok. With this guide, you'll be able to change your username on TikTok from the generic number to your username or to something you can easily remember. So first and foremost, go to your app menu and click on TikTok app. Tap on the icon to the bottom left, to the bottom right, sorry. Now tap on the edit pencil in front of username under your name on TikTok. Now you'll be taken to TikTok username. Delete the user and number together and enter the new username for your TikTok account. Got it right. So you click on the save button to set your username on TikTok to the new username you entered. Tap set username. But you need to know that you can only do this once in 30 days. So once you click on the username will be set as your TikTok username. Alternatively, click on edit profile, tap on username, then delete the username and enter your TikTok username, the new TikTok username, and click on the save button and tap set username. That is how to create and change your username on TikTok. If you enjoyed this video, or if this video has helped you to change your TikTok username from the generic username to something you can easily remember, please hit the like button. And if you don't want to miss our next update, please subscribe and turn on the bell notification. Thank you.